Hello everyone, as most of you might have noticed that we have recently started with a couple of more segments on our channel, The Power of Excel. So the very first segment that we have started is the YouTube live series, for which we have recently conducted our very first live session last Sunday. So moving forward, we'll have these live sessions on every second Sunday of the month. So all of you are requested to attend these live sessions as and when you find some time. The objective of these live sessions is to take up questions from the audience and subscribers with regards to Microsoft Excel, might be in their day-to-day lives or might be in their professional lives, or any specific suggestions or inputs with regards to the channel on what we can add or what we can improve. So that is for the live sessions. The second segment that we have started is the testimonial series, where we're going to invite people from the industry as well as academia to come and speak specifically about the role of Microsoft Excel, as well as the importance of this channel towards improving and inculcating the skills of business analytics in students and professionals. And so in case you are interested in recording or sharing some testimonials about Microsoft Excel or how it has helped you in your organizations or in your day-to-day lives, or even as you have progressed in your professional careers, please feel free to drop me an email at ankit.mahindroo@gmail.com. I repeat, it is ankit.mahindroo@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to post these videos on my YouTube channel in the coming few weeks. So that is it about this particular announcement. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and we'll be looking forward to having you in these live sessions and watching the testimonials and other contents that we are posting on our channel from time to time. So thank you so much, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.